Is your body burning fat as efficiently as it should? Are you not able to achieve the level of weight loss you had expected from your diet or exercise regimen? Well, here is a product that can boost your natural daily fat burning levels in a completely natural way. Introducing Keto Burn. These potent new diet drops from Skinny Bean combine all the top ketogenic ingredients to speed up your weight loss goals. What's great is you can even skip taking so many different supplements and just have everything you need in this easy-to-use dropper. Convenient on the go or with food and drinks. Are you always on the go? Well, this will be even more beneficial to you. Take Keto Drops before the gym to supercharge calorie burn, or to the office to stay in a deeper ketogenic fat burning state. How does Keto Burn do its magic? It gets your body into a state of ketosis faster, and it will also keep you there longer and deeper. This boosts your fat burning and also has another great effect in addition to enhancing weight loss. It has been shown to aid in the elimination of brain fog. This is great as it will improve focus at the gym or at work. All the ingredients of Keto Burn act independently, but combined into one formula, it changes the weight loss playing field completely. Your ketosis level will be directly impacted by these ingredients. There's EGCG, which is found in tea, also Garcinia and guarana, which increase the calorie and fat burning throughout the day. Add raspberry ketones, L-carnitine, and mango extract, which is well known for helping you burn more fat as energy. And to boost mood and energy, there's also Panax ginseng and maca powder. Because Keto Burn is in liquid form, it will be immediately absorbed by your body, and you'll enjoy noticeable weight loss with these keto drops. If you're following a ketogenic diet, Keto Burn will take you to a level of even more fat burning. It's also powerful as a ketone salts booster, and there's over 100 drops in every bottle, so it's a great deal with great results. So simply your life and weight loss efforts and move fat burning into hyperdrive. Try Keto Burn, take your weight loss to the next level.